Wagwan guys, what's good? I'm so excited. I'm going fishing. Come along with me. You going on the boat? You might as well. There's a life jacket. Get on a life jacket. I'm gonna get on a life jacket as well.
And then once you get it tight, then you just zip it in.
Is it like a one size fits all?
It'll fit, don't worry. Just squeeze it in.
What are we doing right now?
We're gonna bait the rod.
Okay.
I'm just gonna give you a bait. Since sunfish are in the water.
Okay.
And then when you catch a sunfish, with that, we'll work our way up to a different bait.
Okay, what does sunfish taste like?
Good, actually. They don't have a lot of meat on them.
Okay. They're good with butter, beans, raw beans.
Yeah, they just don't have a lot of meat on them. That's, so you're gonna catch a lot of fish and you're gonna have a lot of scale.
Scale it?
But we think of scaling for you.
Right here?
We're talking to Jackson.
scaling the fish.
I'll be seeing it.
Scaling the fish. Okay. Yeah, it's a whole experience. I'm having the whole fishing experience, catching the fish, scaling the fish. Are we gonna bark on the fish or not?
No, they'll take the sunfish, will taste delicious. I'll just,
They're gourmet fishes.
a lot of meat on them, of course.
Which I don't, but you know, you live and learn as you go.
Once you throw meat out there,
Oh, it's winding. This is the special.
Jackson hooked me. I'm not a fish.
Okay, so now because it's a shallow lake, honestly, it's like waist deep in most places.
Okay.
Imagine this thing.
Oh, it's gonna be.
So what's gonna happen when
It's gonna sink.
and sink and it's gonna grab a hook of something you don't want, right?
Mhm.
Hence the bob.
Okay.
Hence the bob.
And
like-
what does a bob do?
well, it just keeps it above the water.
Okay.
It's really, I don't want to say so, but it's really just, you know, if you're like starting fishing,
I'm starting fish.
yeah, then it's really a good thing because
Okay.
then you're not going to be hooking on anything, and also it's also you have to be mindful of the type of baits you're going to use,
Okay.
right? In this case, since we're using a weighted bait, it's going to drag on the floor and it's going to hook on
okay.
anything on a shallow lake. You don't want to do that.
So you're gonna put a ball on
Don't
there?
get frustrated.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna I'm gonna add a bob, and then, but before I do that, I want you to practice the
Yeah,
casting.
for sure.
And you have all the mechanics down. You
Yeah.
remember?
Oh yeah. So we're gonna wind her in.
Yeah. So wind her in again.
It's getting stuck on everything.
Yeah. Don't worry, just walk closer to it. And as you wind, it'll come close. Oh no, just wind and hold it. Hold it. You know, firm.
Here she comes. One.
Okay, and now you go
And then lock it.
unlock it with this thing facing you. Okay. And then. Okay, there you go. Let's see what you got. Mm-hmm.
I'm stuck.
Beta, let's put it on the hook. Right there. Uh-huh. There you go. No, the backside more backside. Because you're gonna cast right, so you turn your legs into that port over there. Yeah, on that side, yeah.
Got mine.
Okay, there you go. And
Hold on.
okay, and then you figure, yeah, and then you cast out. Remember what I said? It's a risk action thing. Feel the weight, throw it out. See? So practice and risk action, throw it out. Now you have to turn more on this side. Okay.
So just unlock it first. Or
Yeah. So, because if you unlock it, the line drops. There you go. Okay, so you need a bobber.
Fishing takes a lot of patience. Although I didn't catch any fish that day, I had loads and loads and loads of fun. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.